Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video is all about unboxing of a product. The product is Tawa from Prestige Omega Select Plus. I got this product from the Flipkart and let me unbox the package first. Coming to the price guys, I got this for 1100 rupees, but you will get even lesser when you purchase this product on ongoing sale. Now if I check, it is of 931 rupees. So here is the product and you'll get 5 years warranty for this. So yeah guys, you'll get with the three different sizes. One is 25 centimeter and next is 27.5 centimeter and next is 30 centimeter. I purchased for 30 centimeter, which is of 1 liter. Coming to the features guys, this product is extreme scratch and abrasion resistance coating, superior non-stick release performance, PFOA free coating for healthy cooking, designed to last longer. So guys, most of us will be worried because we need to use a wooden spatula for this or silicone spatula, but since it has a 3 layers of coating, it is of metal spoon friendly, protects the surface from the scratches caused by the spoons. And you can see the product here, it is of 30 centimeter. It's very handy, lightweight. This Omega Select Plus is a new and improved one which ensures durability and poses no harm to the food. Our main intention is to be it is of scratch resistant because we mostly use this steel spatula, so it is of extremely resist towards scratches and corrosion. So here you can see the small demo guys. I've been using this from past 1 month, and after 1 month of usage itself I'm reviewing this. I'm using plastic spatula. You can use a metal one since it is already mentioned in the box it is of metal resistant. This product is well designed for the low usage of oil, so I think this is the best ever purchase. Guys, if you wish to buy this product, the product link will be on my description. For more unboxing or beauty related videos, do subscribe. Thank you.